So what's up? So today I'm going to be trying to take out the old shifter box. And I got one of the black shifter boxes, and I'm about to be switching this one out. It's just started taking off the cables and the other pin. So I'm about to be removing this one and trying to install the other one. See how good it goes. But yeah, this is the old one. So once I'm done taking that off, get back and show you guys the other one and see how everything goes. Finally got it off. Excuse the mess. I got a vacuum underneath the seats. I had to take off the seats. I had to cut the bolt off because them jumps was super rusted. They didn't even want to come off from underneath the car. All of them. Oh, I had to cut the head off the bolt so I can get it off. I happened to cut them off pretty good, so I didn't damage anything. Just a little bit of scraping right on the side, but that's nothing major. I finally got it off. Is what they did at the shop. They cut a big ass hole in my floor, so I had to re-drill new holes there, and up here just to put the shifter on because it didn't want to hold on. I was thinking about getting a base plate and just putting it here, but I'll have to. I'm gonna end up fixing this. I'm gonna end up getting some sheet metal or something and either weld it on top or underneath. Take it to somebody who knows how to weld, because I don't know how to weld for shit. So I can do that and then just re-drill some holes and put it on there right. But I took it when I had the car at the shop. Instead of them just cutting the top lip off of this, because back then they didn't have the base plates and stuff, so I had the regular H box shifter. So instead of them just cutting a little hole, probably like half of this around, they end up cutting all of this. So now I got to work around that. That's why sometimes it's better to do stuff yourself than have somebody else do it for you that don't really know what the hell they doing. And since it's not their car, they don't really care. So long story short, anyway, this is the new shifter I got. It's the black Billet eBay shifter, but I got it on a good deal, so I opt for the black one better, because I heard a lot of people saying that the Billet one, especially when it's sunny outside and it hits the thing, it shoots a reflection beam, whatever you want to call it. So I caught this one on pretty good deal. I think it was like 110 bucks, something like that. So hey, you know, 110 bucks, I know it's not no K-tune shifter or nothing like that, but it's better than, I guess it's better than this one. Hopefully. That one's lasted me quite a long time, so let's go with this one. And the problem I was having with this one was that since the throws are so long, every time I used to shift, the shifter would hit the top part up here, so it would hit up here. So let's see if this one eliminates all that. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Got the other piece right here. Let's see how it's gonna look. But let me go ahead and put this on and I'll get back. So it's nighttime. I had just got done, but this is what it's looking like. You know, had to throw on a little hybrid shifter. My baby bought me one for Valentine's Day, and I finally got around to putting it on. I was waiting so I could put the shifter on and put everything in. So it is in. Everything is good to go. Not that much play. Only thing that I noticed is that this boot down here, it moves a little bit. Not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, or oh, that's the glare. If that's the way it's supposed to be or what, but you guys comment below and let me know, because this is my first actual billet shifter. So besides that, I got it in. I got 1, 2, 3. If you guys seen the hole, there's no space over here for the fourth bolt. I don't got nothing underneath there, but there's a piece of metal on the outside brim. It's probably like halfway, but that's the way I was running the other shifter, and I didn't have no problem with it moving or anything. So figured I'll leave it like that, since they hacksawed my floor up, and I gotta do what I do and make it work. But besides that, it's good to go, solid. So yeah, so that's what it's looking like. So I tried to do a video earlier, but my phone died, so I guess I came outside and had a do a little updated video. So yeah, I got it off some dude on eBay. He was selling some shifters like this at a decent price, so I figured it was black and I'll go ahead and get it. It was the same price as the regular one. I think it was like 110 maybe, with shipping and everything. It was on sale from like 160, so I figured why not. If I get in and break, I just cop me another one and so forth. But yeah, if this one messes up, then I'll probably end up copping like a hybrid shifter one, the V3 or something along those lines. I just needed an upgrade right now. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to know anything about the shifter or whatever, I'm about to probably do like a little POV, show you guys how it works and everything, and how it shifts, because I still haven't even drove it, and to see how it feels and nothing. But yeah, don't mind the little Walmart cheap $15 little radio. My other radio went dead on me, so I can't be with no music, so I had to cop that one for the meantime. You know, balling on a budget. But yeah, alright though, I'll get with y'all in the next video. Peace out.